For almost 40 years, Lifeplan has made the highest quality vitamin and mineral supplements, helping people around the world enjoy a healthy, balanced lifestyle. From our humble beginnings, Lifeplan has grown into a worldwide operation with over 3 million supplements leaving our facility every day. Our contract manufacturing is second to none, and we provide a full turnkey solution based on our partners' needs. Our MHRA licensed and GMP certified manufacturing facility ensures our supplements are made in a pharmaceutical environment, maintaining the quality and stability of even the most sensitive ingredients. Lifeplan also holds kosher and vegan society accreditation, and we have been approved by the Soil Association. We have a wide range of partners across 25 countries, and our export business continues to grow. Our dedicated regulatory team work closely with all our clients to ensure product registrations and ongoing compliance are handled as smoothly as possible. Added to this, our new product development program focuses on creating innovative, industry-first products, keeping pace with changing consumer purchase trends. Our capability is our core strength, together with the commitment and dedication of our team. We pride ourselves on delivering the highest quality products and service, and we welcome inquiries from any potential partners. Lifeplan, where wellness starts with people.